Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri noon chai from green tea. Noon chai is the most popular drink in Kashmir, famous for its salty taste. Noon means salt, and chai is famous as the pink tea owing its beautiful color. So I'll be showing you how to make this cup of bliss from green tea. Green tea needs no introduction. We all know it's loaded with health benefits. For all the tea lovers, it's a must try for you. A typical breakfast in Kashmir houses is incomplete without steaming cup of noon chai. Generally, we Kashmiris consume noon chai twice a day as part of breakfast and evening day. Our day kind of starts with noon chai. So let's get started. For making this cup of bliss, I have taken this green tea. You can see it's similar to the typical noon chai leaves you get in Kashmir. I have taken Society green tea. I'll be showing you Society premium green tea. You can use any green tea of your choice. This is easily available anywhere nowadays. And less than half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. This is the magic ingredient in this. Water, and later we'll be using milk and salt according to our taste. In this, baking soda is very important. If you add too much, it will turn very dark. If you add too less, it will turn very light. So we need to be careful while adding baking soda. So for making this, I have taken 2 glasses of water and I am adding 2 heaped spoons of green tea. I'll be showing you the depth of the spoon. Here you can see it's almost a tablespoon, and less than half a teaspoon of baking soda. In Kashmir, we typically normally use pinch of baking soda, but for green tea we need little more, so that's why I'm using this much, though the spoon was flat. Now we have to bring it to boil. I'll be going through traditional way because that way the brew is awesome. So once it starts to boil, we don't have to cover it, we have to let it boil till all the water is evaporated. Kind of all the water is gone from this. Yeah, so here you can see almost all the water is gone. So at this stage we will be adding 2 more cups of water and bring it to boil. And same way we have to let all the water evaporate. This is the second time we are doing this. I do it normally 2 times. Sometimes you can, if the color is not perfect, you can do it thrice also. So again here we have to wait till all the water gets evaporated. Now all the water is evaporated. I'll be adding more water and let it boil. Making noon chai is a bit lengthy process, but it's worth it. And we typically made it in a large quantity, and we store the stock or base. We call it tut in our local language. We refrigerate it, and whenever we need, we just take a cup of it and mix it with milk, boil it, and noon chai is ready. And see, here you can see this is the brew we are looking for. It's perfect in color. So I'll strain it. In Kashmir, if we have any minor illness, minor sickness like nausea, stomach ache, headache, our elders always suggest us to have a cup of noon chai, and trust me, it works. So now I'll be taking almost a cup of this base or tut and mix it with half a cup of milk. We use normally full cream milk for making this, but if you don't have full cream milk, you can simmer it for a while till it thickens a bit, and add salt according to your taste. So here the cup of bliss is ready. The green tea makes perfect noon chai. The color, the flavor, everything is perfect. This is under the natural light. You can see the color is perfect, light pink. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. It tastes very unique because of the salt. Here I'll be showing you that I stored rest of the tut or base, and I'll refrigerate it and I can use it whenever I have to make noon chai. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep watching this space for more recipes. Thank you.